guys, I am here at Kensington in request of Melbourne Railway videos. Gary, Gov and Tim and Ben 1. We have a Siemens here standing 720M coupled to 710M, and behind that we have an EDI common set. We have the Siemens now departing. Last carriage 709M. Also behind that we do have a common set bound for Flinders Street. 482M, 397M. And 398M. City Loop service. Shortly we will have a sprinter approaching. This will be a Southern Cross service. Sprinter is now approaching. 7001. And 7014. Southern Cross service. This is just a quick pan of Kensington. This is platform 2 for services to Craigieburn and eventually onto Seymour. Shortly we will have another Siemens approaching. This will be out of service. Probably to a yard somewhere. This might only be 3 cars. $780M. It's a 3-car set. And 779M. Nothing sicker, that's rare. Keep breaking these machines.
Nourishment machine.
This is just a prod machine. It's got the Metrolitian sticker.
Departing Kensington, platform 2 are the 1041 Craigieburn, stopping all stations to Craigieburn.
Oh, there's a bus there. Shortly we'll have a Siemens and a Sprinter approaching, but we'll have a Sprinter departing first.
A Sprinter passing.
Sprinter does not stop at Kensington. I'm not sure which one will pass first, but I'm pretty sure it will be the Sprinter.
Wow,
7020 and 7022. And we have a Siemens now approaching. This not in service train. It's not in service. And it's a free carriage Siemens. Probably went to the show runs.
Hope the driver waves to us.
Not in. Shortly we will have a Siemens arriving onto platform 2.
Probably is not in service or capable service.
This will be a Craigieburn service stopping all stations.
Man, it's so. Look at the
To Craigieburn.
We dry. Craigieburn service. This is Craigieburn service. Yes, Siemens.
6 carriage Siemens. 771M. 72M.
832M.
And
Don't know what the last
I don't know what the last carriage is. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna have to goodbye. Goodbye.
Are you getting on?
Yeah.
Waking up knowing there's a reason. All my dreams come alive. Life is for living.